All right, kids, just want to do a quick video on the markets, cryptocurrency markets. Kind of a slow day, even though Bitcoin is showing a little bit of strength today. Stock market's kind of coming off that pump from yesterday. Bitcoin hanging out at 20,000. Folks, Bitcoin's been hanging out at 20,000 for the last 7 months. Ever since Bitcoin went from 30,000 to 20,000 because of the whole Terra Luna UST debacle, it's been in this range between 18 and 20, occasionally get a pump up to 23, then pump back down to 19 or a dump back down to 19. Nothing much to talk about. Some of these altcoins are still pumping like XRP. Cardano not doing all that much. And that brings me to this article that I found. Cardano price prediction. Is Cardano preparing for a 100% move? I think it's possible. I think Cardano is basically due for a pump. It never got a Vasco hard fork pump, which I didn't think it would anyway. It's been kind of, doing its typical Cardano thing. Cardano was the same way a couple years ago. Some other altcoins were pumping. Cardano was basically just hanging out, slowly dropping. Then all of a sudden it went bullish. I think these price levels for Cardano between 30 cents and 50 cents, I think they're going to be short-lived. I think probably by the end of the year, we're going to be back up to $1 for Cardano. I think, if Bitcoin goes back up to $25,000, $30,000, it's going to be a nice double your money on Cardano. So basically, I think if you buy right now at 40 cents, 38 cents, 30 cents, you're going to double your money by the end of the year. Just my prediction. I'm not calling for a bull market or anything like that, but I think Bitcoin will eventually make its way back up to $30,000. And at least be in that range for most of 2023, and then we go bullish in 2024 or towards the end of 2023. So getting a lot of these altcoins right now, it's just such a good deal. Unless you're talking about something like Matic that's already pumped. I mean, I'm talking about altcoins that really haven't pumped all that much. I also want to talk about Theta. Theta, a token, has a major upgrade coming up in, I believe, December. You got the meta chain. It's kind of going under the radar. I wasn't even sure what the meta chain was, to be honest with you, and I'm kind of big into Theta. Here it is right here. The Theta meta chain is an interconnected network of blockchains, a chain of change that will allow permissionless horizontal scaling of the Theta blockchain. In a nutshell, faster scaling, just faster movement, not as much clogs on the chain, and I think that's going to be great. Has something to do with Web3, which is going to be a good thing. So I think that with Theta, we're probably going to see a 2 to 250 Theta probably by the end of the year as well, especially after this upgrade. So usually with Theta, when you get major upgrades, you get a nice little pump. I mean, even regardless without this, if Bitcoin goes back up to $25,000, $30,000, you're going to see at least a $2 Theta. Keep in mind, when Bitcoin went up to $23,000, $24,000 last month, Theta almost got back up to $1.70. So, I mean, these are easy double your monies right now. Again, I'm not talking about 2024 when Theta is going to be $25 or $30. I'm talking about, hey, you want to do a quick little trade, you can double or triple your money right now, or just a great time to get in general. Because the thing that happens is, and I've said this before, especially with coins like Theta and Cardano, you're going to have a lot of people buying Theta when it pumps up to $2 in December, and then you'll probably see Theta dump right back down to $1. So you have to have skin in the game because you're never going to time the bottom and you're always going to be chasing it. Why chase? Just buy the dips, and basically if you want to sell, if you double your money and you want to sell, that's fine. But same with Cardano. Think of all the people who are going to be buying their Cardano when it pumps back up to $1, when you could have gotten it for 43 cents or 38 cents or 35 cents or 45 cents. So, and the problem is, Theta goes back up to $1. Oh my God, it's so great. And then Bitcoin does another dump back down to $20,000. And then Cardano's back down to 50 cents, and you basically just lost 50%. So, folks, now is the time to be buying. Also, what to talk about really quick is GBTC. Oh boy, is that not going to work. Anyway, GBTC is basically it's almost like a stock. They basically hold Bitcoin in a trust, and you can basically buy shares in this GBTC trust, which is currently trading 35% lower than actual Bitcoin. Meaning, if you buy this right now, and you can buy it on Ameritrade or anywhere where you buy stocks, meaning it's completely backed by the federal government, meaning nobody can hack your account, nobody can hack your stock account and steal all your money out of there, nobody can steal your Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. It's all secured. the biggest problem with Bitcoin is, and cryptocurrency is, every day you're worried about, is somebody going to hack me? Am I going to lose all your money? Well, if you're buying GBTC, nobody can hack you, nobody can steal it. Even if somebody hacks into your stock trading account, they still can't do anything with it because it's linked to your bank account, and you can't like send the GBTC anywhere. You can basically only trade it in for cash. So this is a great way for people who want exposure to Bitcoin, or at least who want exposure to Bitcoin's price, to basically get into crypto. I'm looking to buy some GBTC. I want some more exposure to Bitcoin. I have too many altcoins, and I just want a little bit more exposure to Bitcoin. But I hate transferring all that money to these exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. I have enough money in there, and every time I do it, I'm like, is it going to show up? Is Binance going to go under? Is somebody going to hack my account? So I'm looking to basically put a little bit more money into my Ameritrade account and pick up some GBTC. It's at a discount right now. When Bitcoin was at $60,000, GBTC was at about $50, so, or $55. So basically, like, you can do a 5x. If Bitcoin goes back to all-time highs, you're looking at about almost a 4 or 5x. Definitely a better deal, because if you buy Bitcoin right now at $20,000 and it goes back up to $60,000, it's pretty much what, a 2 or 3x. So you get more for your money with this GBTC, and it's a lot less risk, meaning nobody can really steal it. But of course, you can't trade it 24/7. You have to trade it when the stock market's open. It's controlled and regulated, so they can always shut down the stock markets. You're not holding this GBTC like you are Bitcoin. It's not like something you can take with you and use for payments or send to somebody else. This is just a way to securely and safely get in on the price action of Bitcoin, and that's all I'm looking to do. And let's be honest, folks, that's all 99% of everybody in crypto is looking to do. We just want to get on the price action. Okay, you want to hold a little bit of Bitcoin on a wallet and play around with the private keys, that's fine. I'm doing it. We're all doing it. But if you really just want to get on the price action, I mean, GBTC is a safe way. You don't have to worry about getting hacked. You don't have to worry about somebody stealing all your money. You don't have to worry about, sending your money to a wrong address. This is basically just a way to follow the price action of Bitcoin, and now it's 35% lower than Bitcoin, meaning this is where a lot of the big money is buying. A lot of the big money, if they want to get on the price action of Bitcoin, they're buying GBTC because it's just a better deal. And what happens is, in the bear markets, you get a better deal in GBTC, but in the bull markets, it completely reverses. So in the bull market, GBTC will no longer be at a discount. It's going to be at a premium, just like it was in 2021. So folks, definitely look into GBTC if you're new to crypto, or you just want some Bitcoin exposure and you're just not into the whole basically send your money to an exchange and letting them handle everything for you. You can basically just do this on your stock trading account. And folks, that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe to my videos. Like I said, we've been in this same shit for the last 7 months. Some of these altcoins are a real steal. It's not going to be like this forever, folks. So now's a great time to pick up some Cardano or Theta. Could go lower, but look, the stock market pumped yesterday just based off a rumor that the Fed might be pivoting. Think what's going to happen when they actually do come out and say, oh, no more raising interest rates, we're done, everything looks good. I mean, all this shit's going to basically explode, and multimillionaires are going to be minted overnight once that happens, especially buying these risk assets. All right, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.